So for this step, we are going to sew some stitches at the bases of the cat's ears. That's just to define the ears a little bit better and make sure that the stuffing doesn't go up into the ears when we're stuffing the cat. So in order to do this, I like to push my needle through the 2 layers of fabric. I'm not catching either of the layers. You see the needle is not coming out the back. It will come out the front, but it's actually pushed between the 2 layers of fabric, not in them. And then I'm going to start just putting a couple of running stitches right underneath where that little ear is, the inner ear there. And I'll just run like maybe 2 stitches, maybe 3 stitches underneath that little spot, just to tack that ear and keep the stuffing from going up into it. I'm going to make a small ending knot, just pick up a little bit of only the back layer of fabric, and I'm going to make a small loop, and I'll take my needle and I'll stick it through that loop 2 times in order to make a knot. Got tangled up in the arm. I'll pull it tight, and then I'm going to stick my needle back almost in the same hole where that knot is, where the thread is coming out. I'm going to stick it through the 2 pieces of fabric. It shouldn't be coming out on the front, so I can just hide my tail between the 2 pieces of fabric. That way I don't have a piece of thread sticking out the back. I'm going to take my scissors and just tug that a little bit to pull that knot right in through. If you get it right pretty close to that where that knot is coming out, you can really almost pull that knot back in through between the 2 pieces of fabric. But you see, I've got 2 little stitches at the base of the ear to keep the stuffing from going up. You want to do the same thing to both sides, so you'll start on the other ear next, and then you're done.